you've got to write a paper about Martin Luther King Jr. that requires at least 2 online sources. If you're like most fellow students, you'll probably start with Google to do your search, and you'll probably only take a look at the first results of your search. If that's the case, let's at least look at them together to make sure that you're evaluating the websites to determine if they're crap or not. Here's what CRAP stands for: currency, reliability, accuracy, authority, purpose, and point of view. It's a pretty simple checklist and one that we're going to use. Let's take a look and see, first of all, where the websites are coming from. I see a .org, .com, .org.com, .com, .org, and let's see if we see, oh, here's a .edu. So when I'm looking at that, edu is a university, .org is an organization, and .com is generally something that's more commercial in nature. So let's take a look at Wikipedia. We won't spend too long because it's not likely your professor is going to take this as a scholarly resource, but we'll do the CRAP test on it real quick. Currency. No date at the top, but we'll scroll down. Oftentimes you can find the last date the website was edited at the bottom, and here it is, 2015. That's pretty good. Reliability. For reliability, accuracy, and authority, we're all going to think about the fact that Wikipedia is crowdsourced, and that means that a lot of people have put information in. Sometimes that makes it reliable, authoritative, and accurate, and sometimes it doesn't. Purpose, point of view, it's hard to tell. We have to read the article to tell. But for right now, let's give this Wikipedia article on Martin Luther King a 1 on the CRAP test. And this time, why don't we try and find one that look at the educational one. Stanford.edu. So we know it's coming from a pretty reliable place already. Currency, see if there's a date at the bottom. No date at the bottom, but we can look here at our news and events page and see if there's something going on there. February 2015, again, not too bad. So we've got currency, reliability, accuracy. We could take a look at the about page and see who the staff people are and decide if that helps be more accurate. The same with authority and the purpose, point of view. There you can look again at their about page to see what they're all about, but basically they are a resource for Dr. King's papers and speeches and all kinds of things related to Dr. King. I would give it a 5 out of 5 on the CRAP test. And we'll go back and we'll do a last one for a third resource to evaluate. And let's try this one, martinlutherking.org. It says it's here a valuable resource for teachers and students alike. So we'll start with currency. Not seeing a date on here. Okay, well, reliability. Looks like it says it's hosted by Stormfront. Let's take a look at that. Stormfront, White Pride Worldwide. Voice of the new embattled white minority. I'm starting to get a sense of a particular point of view here. That is not probably a balanced one. Accuracy and authority. So we'll see who they are. So it's a community of radical realists and idealists. We can go here and read about the introduction to Stormfront to see if we can learn a little bit more. Recent Obama victory, so it tells me it probably isn't super current. Warning about Jewish tactics. I'm going to give this one a big 0 on the CRAP test. Well, now that we've done a real quick evaluation, I just asked you to go out and evaluate all your websites and look at them with an eye to determining if they're crap or not. Hopefully this has helped you out, and don't forget, your CMC librarians are here to help you whenever you need it.